Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic, the best foods for kidney repair. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and toxins from our bodies, so it's crucial to take care of them. Let's dive right in. First on our list are berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Packed with antioxidants and low in potassium, they help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These veggies are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as iron and calcium. They provide a good source of fiber and help lower blood pressure. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans, are next on our list. They're high in fiber and protein, and they provide essential minerals without overloading the kidneys. Now, let's talk about hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water is always a fantastic choice, but did you know that water-rich fruits, like watermelon, can also contribute to your fluid intake? Watermelon has a high water content and is low in potassium, making it an excellent choice for kidney repair. Lastly, we have fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and tuna. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and promote heart health, which indirectly benefits our kidneys. And don't forget about the power of nuts, like almonds and walnuts. They're packed with healthy fats and are a great snack option for kidney health. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the best foods for kidney repair. Thank you for watching.